Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great Friday. Today on the channel we'll go back to the Masters of the Universe Origins, and we're looking at Wave 6. And Wave 6 had two new characters added to it, a repaint for one and a remake for another one. So here they are. So we have Stinkor, the Evil Master of Odors, the Lords of Power Beastman this time, Savage Henchman, and I would call him the red variant, because if you remember, the 5-pack exclusive from Mattel Creations, his skin was orange, like that, that standard Beastman, but this is red. The focus of today's review will be Webster, the Evil Master of Escape. So we'll be looking at him a little bit more closely here in a minute. And the Eternian Goddess, Guardian of the Power in the Universe, which is basically a repaint of Tila, but she's still an amazing character. And I can't wait to do her review later this week. But there you go. But today we'll be focusing on Webster, and Webster only. So I'm going to get these guys out of the way so we can look at Webster. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a loose form of Webster. It's pretty popular right now. And I'm hoping to play that long game, guys, and hopefully I can find one at a good price. I would prefer it loose, but if I have to find another carded one, hopefully I can find one at a good price. Or hopefully maybe Mattel will do a re-release of this particular figure. How popular he is and stuff like that, so give people another chance to getting him if they missed out the first time. And not just Webster, for any figure, in Origins. I would really hope that Mattel will do that at some point for all the figures. Yeah, maybe somebody who's missed out, the first time. But there he is, Webster. A little closer shot of him. Of course, in that classic-looking vintage 1980s card back that we all remember and love back in the 80s, with the exploding red rocks or meteors coming out, make him climb up his line. So they kept his vintage action feature for the Origins, which I absolutely love, and happy that they did that. New for 21. There you go, Masters of the Universe. We'll flip it on the back. Some amazing artwork. Top notch, beautiful artwork, colorful, bright. With him inside, looks like Buzz-Off's lair. Trying to escape, probably. He found some probably intel or something like that, to take back the Skeletor. And then there's this action call out again with his grappling hook and backpack that you can use to scale not only like Castle Grayskull or Snake Mountain, and of course all the other figures in the wave, including He-Man and Skeletor. Like all other waves, this wave also comes with a brand new comic book. And here's the comic book right here. It's called Rock and a Hard Place. You can see some beautiful artwork. And a fun story to read. And I do love the fact, like I said before, that Mattel has included these comic books again in this particular wave and Origin and stuff like that. But there you go. And of course the back again shows the cross cell of all the figures in the wave. And here, this is what Webster looked like back in the 80s and back in 1984. And I want to take the time to say thank you, Dark Horse Comics again, and Pixel Dan for making this amazing book. But here he is. You can see his action call-out feature again, like the vintage or the Origins. They've kept that, that wire that you can scale up and use. And originally, it's very interesting to know that Webster's first name was going to be Black Widow before they actually changed it to Webster. And there's also a variant of Webster. And the difference between the variant and this one is that his rifle was blue. If you can find that one, you know, that's a keeper, guys. But there you go. Of course, there's Webster. And here is Webster in Classics. I love the backpack with the it's like the snake. I'm sorry, not snake, but spider legs and stuff like that in its backpack. A really cool character, guys. And of course, we're getting Webster in Masterverse. He was part of that new wave coming out in the fall. So I can't wait to see him in Masterverse. But there you go. Here's another look at Webster in Classics and in the Vintage line. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I was trying to get it to focus, stuff like that. But yeah, there you go, guys. Here's a quick look at Webster. A fan favorite, you know, a must-have in any collection. A fun figure to have, you know, to have him scaling up Castle Grayskull or Snake Mountain, stuff like that. I want to take the time out, guys, to say thank you for all of my new subscribers, guys. Also, I hope you guys were able to pre-order the Snake Mountain Origins playset today. It came out today. It's sold out in Mattel Creations and Amazon, but I do believe right now that Big Bag Toy Store and Entertainment Earth still has pre-orders available, just in case you'd like to get yourself one. But there you go. So yeah, I wanted to say, please hit that like button, that thumbs up button, guys. Hit that notification bell, guys, when you know I upload new videos. Tomorrow we'll be looking at Stinkor in Wave 6. And I do have a loose version of him, and we'll take a look closely. See if he's like just like the classic vintage one that has that really funky odor to him and stuff like that. Hopefully he does. Please share this video, guys, with all your friends and stuff like that who are who love Masters of the Universe, who's been collecting stuff like that. Like I said, I love doing these videos, guys. I like talking and doing these reviews with you guys. So once again, guys, thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys have a great Friday night and a good weekend too, guys. Until next time, guys, take care.